Yo, what is up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to get verified on Instagram. I'm actually so excited to show you guys this because it takes only 5 minutes to do this and you get verified right on Instagram. As you can see, I got my badge right here. You know what, I'll actually leave a link down below so you guys can check for yourself on my account to see that I am actually verified, so you can, just so you know it's not fake, I actually do have the verification badge from this. So alright guys, I'm going to switch over to my screen recording so I can show you guys exactly what you have to do. So once you're on your device, you have to make sure that you actually have the Instagram app with your account logged in already on your device. So you need either iOS or Android, works on either one. But yeah, you usually need the Instagram app right on your device and logged into your account that you want to verify, and that's it. So basically, you open up your web browser and you go on a site called Instagram Verify Mojo injection page. So basically the way this works is that the verified feature gets injected straight into your Instagram account, and then it gets updated throughout the entire Instagram network. So you're going to hit the inject verify and it'll bring you to this page where you can download the injection, and basically this gets split into two. So how they do this is that they get the injection, basically they have the verification injected into apps that are already on the App Store. That way, your device or Instagram won't, notice that you're actually downloading the verified badge thing. So that's the only way to make it work. So basically what you have to do is you have to download 2 of these apps to get both of the packages. So I'm going to download the BetterNet VPN proxy. Go to the App Store, open. So guys, you want to make sure that you do this in a very streamlined way. I wouldn't back out while it's downloading or anything. You want to make sure that everything works well, because it's kind of annoying having to redo things. Yeah, so you hit open once it's done, and because this is a VPN service, they're asking you to start a free trial, but you don't have to pay for anything, so just use free with ads. What's important here guys is that you use the app for at least 30 seconds so you can allow the packages enough time to unpack itself. And yeah, so once you've done the first app for about 30 seconds, you can go back onto your browser and return to this page, and you can download the second part. So I'm going to take the Hexatech Unlimited VPN, and exact same thing here guys. We'll take it to the App Store where I can download it. Open, and yeah, pretty much the same thing. It's trying to start a free trial, but you just use free with ads, you don't have to pay. And again, you run it for about 30 seconds. If you want, you can be safe and aim for a minute, but that's up to you. And yeah, so once you're done doing this, what you're going to want to do is power off your device and then turn it back on. And you'll notice that it's actually going to take a bit longer to boot back up because they're installing the verified badge right onto your Instagram account that's logged in. And yeah, it's a pretty neat trick. So I don't know how long this is going to last guys. You better do this as soon as possible because this is quite amazing. But yeah, comment down below if you need help or anything like that. I'll be more than happy to answer whatever questions you have. Please like and subscribe. I am trying to grow my channel, and I just want that in return for throwing this out there to you guys. But yeah, that's all I have for today guys. Enjoy this. Peace.